Some people have said I'm overly sensitive.
What now?
Missy gave me chewing gum.
Sure.
And by some people, I mean everyone. While I may not be X-Men material, I have always possessed unusually heightened senses.
Ew. Georgie, put your shoes back on.
You can't smell this.
Yes, I can.
I also had extraordinary hearing. During dinner, I could tune out the cacophony of chewing, slurping, chewing, cutlery scraping against plates, chewing, and my father's heavy breathing as he wrestled with a ketchup bottle. But tonight, there was one sound I couldn't tune out.
Why aren't you eating, Sheldon?
How can I with that horrible noise?
What noise?
That irritating high-pitched buzz.
I don't hear nothing.
Me neither.
How can you not?
Wait, I think I hear it.
You do?
Yeah, it's coming out of your face.
I guess I hear a little hum. Refrigerators make noise, Sheldon.
This is new. It's never made this sound before. We should call a repairman.
I'm not spending money on a fridge that's working.
Then think of it as spending money on my mental stability.
Ignore.
What are you doing?
I'm going to take apart the refrigerator and figure out what's making that noise.
That is a really good idea.
Usually you're not supportive of my efforts.
I'm more mature now.
Hi, Mom.
What did you do?
Good news. I found out what part was making that noise.
You have to put this back together.
Now we're going to the bad news.
What made you think you could fix this?
I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
I told him not to do it. He wouldn't listen.